Good morning, the students of class 4 Modern International School Hiswa. Dear students, I Om Prakash Sharma is standing before you to teach the topic Know Your Teeth, that is, and chapter 8. Dear student, at first I want to say you about the teeth. We use our teeth to cutting, chewing. That means what is the function of teeth? All of us know that teeth has great function to take meal. If teeth is not available in your mouth, we cannot digest the food properly. So teeth has great importance. Teeth has great role to digest our food. As soon as we take the food in our mouth, at first the work of teeth begins to start. Our teeth also help us to deliver a speech. It helps us to form certain sounds. If teeth is not available, then there are so many problems, and we cannot speak properly if we have no teeth in our mouth, dear students. So we can say that teeth has great importance in our body. Most babies, dear student, most babies are born without teeth, as you know that. When the baby is born, about 6 months, at the time of birth, there is no teeth. All parts are present, but the mouth of baby is without teeth. When the baby is about 6 months old, the first teeth comes, and that is known as milk teeth. Milk teeth is not permanent teeth. It lives for some times. By the age of about 2.5, the child has 20 teeth. That is, for some time, 10 teeth in each jaw. In upper jaw, 10 teeth, and lower jaw, 10 teeth. Dear students, listen carefully as the child grows. These milk teeth are loosened, and it will be removed. It is removed, and in place of milk teeth, a new teeth is born, and that is called permanent teeth. Permanent teeth is for whole life. If the permanent teeth is lost, then that place is empty, and there will be no any teeth again born. 16 in the lower jaw and 16 in upper jaw. It is known as permanent teeth. Dear students, just I am telling you, every child, every person has two jaws, lower jaws and upper jaws, and each jaw contains permanent teeth, maximum 32 teeth, 16 upper and 16 lower. There are some functions, some types of teeth, some teeth known as incisors, canine and molars. The 8 teeth at the front, that means 8 teeth front means 4 lower part and 4 upper part. That is known as cutting teeth. Dear student, when all of us want to eat, at first we use the front teeth. This is the function at first, cutting. Cutting function will be done at first. After that, the other teeth works. The next 4, 2 upper and 2 lower, that is known as pointed teeth. That means they are called canines, and it helps us to tearing the food. The next 20, that means 10 lower jaw and 10 upper jaw are chewing teeth, and it has great role to chewing the food. If it is not work in proper way, then your digestion will be not properly, because when we eat the food, its work is here great. The permanent teeth usually appears between 6 and the 14th year. 6, about 5 or 6 years it will start, and 14, 15th years it will be filled. But the four teeth, two lower and two upper teeth, don't appear until we are 20 to 25 of age. That means it is known as wisdom teeth. Wisdom means wisdom means intelligence, idea, wise, and it comes after more than the age of 20 years. That is known as wisdom teeth, and this age people are adult, and they have they have the understanding power of everything. Dear students, if you have any problem, you can ask me again on my phone or on my personal WhatsApp. Thank you.